Hi, welcome to product review on PrimuZ Universal Remote UL-501. This remote I bought it from Flipkart. So let's unbox this. The boxing is very simple, the cardboard box, and there is a manual provided with this. Okay, and the costing is also fair, very cheap actually. And remote looks good, but if you look the width here, which is like uncomfortable when you hold like this, you can't far reach to the buttons there, but this side it is pretty good. And I also found these direction buttons are very hard to press actually. This is not the way these buttons are raised, so you can just press them, but these are, it's actually at the same level of the remote or plastic mold, and it is very hard to press. And I also observed that this remote lacks some essential buttons like switching the channels and eject button, which are very important, right? For DVD player, if you there is a DVD option here, so if you have a DVD player, there should be option for eject button, and for TV also there should be a recall button. Yeah, that is what they call recall button, right? So that is not there. Like there are a lot of other buttons missing for this remote. But other than that, this works fine. You can put that, like you can assign the eject button's code to the exit button, and you can basically use some of the buttons. But it would have been better if there were a lot of buttons for all the other options, like this eject button and recall button. And there is no menu, this menu button, but in DVD remotes there will be one more button which goes back to that list of videos and all. That button is not there. And yeah, it would have been better if there were some at least four extra buttons, which we could have used in different products basically. Okay, and it comes with the manual, which is, yeah, it is hard to read. Um, there was a review that we should use lens to read this manual. But yeah, I feel at least these three important directions, like direct setup code, search method, the learning method, if this was at least printed big, it would have been helpful for a lot of people. Other than that, there are all codes for different um, sorry, the codes for different companies, different products like VCR, DVD, television, and satellite. But yeah, most of them are facing problem like there is no videocon. So that is why I had to note down from some other website. The website I'll post it below. And I didn't find LG codes to be working for my DVD player. So yeah, there are a lot of codes for the same, from here to here, which I I didn't like to spend the time on, so I used a search method in this. So I'll show how to use each and every method, so that you can, if you have this remote, probably you can use this and set up your remote. Okay, so this remote needs two AA batteries. This was a good idea other than the AAA batteries, because this will give a lot of life. Okay, and looking at this port here, I think this is what they use to program, and probably it has a Atmega processor. That is what I'm guessing. So in my next teardown video of this remote, probably I'll come to know what is there inside. Okay, but the design is good, plastic is good, that is what I feel. But you don't see that bumps, plastic bumps, which for regular remotes there will be. So it sits straight, but this will be flimsy. You can't press a button when you place this on table. So that is what I found. um, there has to be a lot of thought process. should have been gone while this remote was manufactured. That is what I feel. Okay, now let's look into how to set up this remote. There are three methods. One is direct code setup, search method, and learning mode. Okay, so the first one is direct code setup. That means you have given with a lot of codes for your device. So in case if you are using a television, let's assume you are using a Acer television, and there are two codes given, 1339 1509. So you can uh, try out both, so you will come to know which one is working. Okay, so there are a lot of codes given, and some of codes are not available, like the videocon. So I have noted down, okay, like that. It is fairly simple. This mode is very simple. All you have to do is turn on your device first. Okay, so in case if you are using a TV, so turn on the TV first with your original remote, and then press TV button here. Okay, so I have set for TV, DVD, and satellite and all. So I am selecting VCR just to show you. Okay, so now what you have to do is click on the magic button. This is the M. It is marked as M. That is the magic button. Press and hold. It will blink twice. Okay, it blinks twice, and now you can enter the code. So let's assume I have selected some, okay, videocon. Okay, that is 0508. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to press this power button. Okay, in case the device turns off, if the device turns off, that means your remote is working. Okay, now for the search method, you had to same way, you had to turn your device on, like TV or DVD or VCR, anything. So you had to turn it on, then press the button. Like if you are using TV, then press the TV button. If you are using DVD, press the DVD button. So same way I'm using VCR. Okay, so now press the magic button same way. So you should see two blinks. Okay, use the power button, and now there is a code 991, so you have to press that 991. Okay, now it is in a search mode. Okay, so now you have to press the power button. Okay, after that you have to press this channel button. Every time you press the channel button, it will keep sending a different code to your device. Okay, so the moment you see the device turns off, that means the remote is been set, and then you will press the magic key. Okay, so this means the code is saved in that particular code is saved. Okay, so particular device config is saved. Now you can use the remote for the device. So that is how its search works. So remember the steps, it is also given in the manual. Okay, let's go for the learning mode. Learning mode is fairly simple. You should have the original remote. Now I am using Kenstar's air cooler. Okay, air cooler remote. Now it is very simple. All you have to do is similarly press the magic key button. Same way it will blink twice. Okay, now it is now you have to press 975. Okay, that means it is ready for learning mode. Now you have to select the device. Okay, so I'm selecting VCR. If you are working for TV, it is you have to select a TV. Now I'm setting the power button, right? So when I press the power button, you can see it is blinking very fast. Now I press the power button, so it is learnt. Okay, so it has recorded the code from the remote. Okay, this is how the learning works. And then okay, now press the magic key to finish. So in case if you want to repeat for all other buttons, all you have to do is like in the same way, once the button is recorded, you press the other button and then press the corresponding buttons, whatever you want to record. So let's try this. I am in VCR mode, and this is for Kenstar. Yes, my air cooler is working. Okay, so this is how you set up the remote. But fairly simple. I have recorded the entire remote for my set-top box as that was not available. Okay, so it was very simple to use, but because there are a lot of keys missing, you had to figure out how to use and you can use this four buttons, as most of us don't use this favorite keys. Okay, so function keys. So the exit you can use, mute is the same. Okay, so the only extra four buttons what you get is this and the exit. It depends on how you use it. And one more thing I wanted to tell you is like in case if you are using TV for only to switch on switch off. Okay, that is what most of us are doing. You can use other keys to record some other remote's functionality. So in that way, probably you can use lot of devices other than this 5. Okay, so you can set the TV for only for this power button, and these four for your MP3 player or something like that, speakers. Okay, you can use you can record those things in that same TV option. Uh, Remote is good. The design looks good. Plastic is good, but the only problem is usability. There is a lot of thought process which has to go uh, to make this remote better. Thank you.